In the quiet corner of Dalian, a town sleeps beneath the clouds, but the mist hides more than beauty. Ancient watchtower, forgotten legends, and a note left by a man who vanished into the mountains. It read only three words: the mountain remember. Small stone houses stand close together, their dark tiled roofs shaped by years of wind and rain. Narrow lanes twist between them, worn smooth by the footsteps of generations. Beyond the village, green mountains rise into the clouds. Mist flow down their slopes like gentle river in the air. In the Qing Dynasty, watchmen stood on these heights, guarding the coast and sending smoke signals from the tall beacon towers. Their eyes searched the horizon, not knowing if the friend or enemy would appear. At the heart of Lingshui lies a clear spring. Locals call it spiritual water. They say it brings health to those who drink it and carries stories from the past. Some tell of a mermaid who blessed the water. Others weep of ghost ships that appear in the fog only to vanish without a sound. One story, dynasty scholars named Wei Cheng, sent to watch over these mountain passes. He spent years among the mist and stone. One evening, he disappeared without a trace, leaving behind only a single note with three words: the mountain remember. Lingshui Town is more than a place on a map. It is where the sea, the clouds, and the history meet. A place that holds its beauty quietly and keep its secret in the mist.